So, you want to turn your PG project into a golden ticket for the pharma industry? Let's do it. This project isn't just the last thing you do to graduate, it's your first big career move. It's your chance to show you can tackle the actual problems pharma companies face every single day. Okay, so first step, you've got to spot the huge gap between the academic world and the industry. In academia, it's all about exploring big ideas, right? Pure research. But industry? They need solutions, and they need them for very specific, real-world problems, now. We're talking about things like injectable stability, sterility, compliance. That's what they care about. And really getting this difference, that's your secret weapon to stand out to recruiters. All right, so how do you build a project that actually bridges that gap? Here's the playbook. First up, you have to define a problem that the industry genuinely cares about solving. A sharp problem statement like these shows you actually understand their pain points. Okay, step 2, you've got to mimic industry conditions. Really put yourself in their shoes. Use their standard methods, follow their compliance frameworks, and hey, work in a team. This shows them you're not just a student. You're ready to jump right in and contribute. And when it's time to present, don't just dump data. Your presentation is your pitch. Tell a story. First, start with the problem, the real, industry-relevant problem that you decided to tackle. Next, talk about the barriers. What stood in your way? What were the tough technical hurdles? And then, the finale, how your work smashed through those barriers to deliver a real solution. A story like this, it's incredibly powerful. It just hits different than a list of facts. It shows you're resilient, you're a problem solver, and you're focused on getting results. So remember, your project is way more than just another academic exercise. It's your proof. It's your proof that you can connect the dots from research to a real-world application. And that approach? Well, that's what shows everyone you are 100% ready for a career in pharma. So you have to ask yourself, is this just another project, or is it your career audition?